I know. All right. Good morning, Miss Coryell's class. All right, today we were doing 7.5 negative numbers. Can you work below 0 on a number line? Yes or no? Yes. Say again? Yes. All right, I know this has been a while since we did this, since this is a couple of days of notes or a couple of different days of notes. An integer is what? A whole number and its opposite. Okay, cool. If I have a number line, so here's my number line, right? Where are the positives on the number line?
On the right side.
Over here on the right side?
Yeah.
So this is 0, right?
Yeah.
Where are the negatives?
On the left side.
On the left side. Okay, so we got our positive numbers, negative numbers. We know number line is the most important mathematical tool in the world, yes? Yes. We good? All right, let's go down to the next one. Adding and subtracting when below 0. What are we always going to use if we start with a negative number and we have to add or subtract?
Number line.
Huh?
Number line.
We're always going to use a number line. What happens if we think maybe, like this problem right here, we're starting at 5, right? But we're losing more than 5, yes? Should we double check to make sure we get the right answer by using a number line? Yes, 100% of the time, right? 100% of the time. So we have all of these problems where we're going to use number lines to solve. Wait, are you going to draw a number line that goes all the way to 100? No. Could you like do increments? Skip counting, right? So again, are we still going to use a number line, JMO? We're still going to use a number line, right? Okay, cool. And then the last section that we did here was the temperature, the ocean, and bank account. So the temperature, can you be below 0 on a thermometer?
Yeah.
So if we're below 0, so if we start like negative 15, can we warm up? What does warm up mean? Which direction does it? Well, in this case, wait. Our number line is actually up and down, isn't it? Can number lines go up and down? So warm up is like a key word that means go up or towards the what? The sky. Would that be negative or positive? These two fish, remember these guys? Are they negative 16 feet apart, or are they 16 feet apart?
16.
Is it possible to be negative anything feet apart? No, so that's kind of tricky with negative numbers, right? Got to be careful. We got to read. We got to
Read and put it in your own words.
Can you have a negative amount of money?
Yes.
What's that called?
Debt.
That's called a debt. Is that something that a lot of people have?
Yes.
And we just need to be aware of it, right?
Yeah.
And we know that it's below 0 on a number line, right? We good?